Welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring Hollywood's captivating realm, unveiling 20 actors whose faces you recognize, yet names remain elusive. These unsung heroes, from scene stealers to indispensable supporting stars, have woven an enduring tapestry in cinema. Join us as we embark on this cinematic journey, unraveling the identities behind these remarkable visages. Let's the discovery begin. Number 1. Steve Buscemi, born December 30, 1957 in Brooklyn, New York, is a distinguished American actor, director and producer. His journey to stardom was propelled by both talent and distinctive looks. Notable roles in films like Reservoir Dogs and Fargo established him as a versatile and respected actor. Despite countless achievements, Buscemi is often more face than a name, a testament to his unique appearance. Recognized for his intense gaze and unconventional features, his characters linger in the audience's memory. From menacing villains to quirky roles, Buscemi's diverse portrayals contribute to his enduring popularity. At 66, he leaves an indelible legacy in the film industry. Number 2. Danny Trejo, born on May 16, 1944 in Los Angeles, California, is an iconic American actor, producer and restaurateur. Trejo's journey to fame began with his distinctive appearance and powerful performances, often portraying tough, menacing characters. He rose to prominence through roles in films such as Desperado 1995, From Dusk Till Dawn 1996, and the lead in Mashed 2010. Trejo's career has been marked by versatility with over 300 film and television appearances, showcasing his ability to excel in both dramatic and action roles. Beyond acting, he successfully ventured into entrepreneurship with popular chain of eateries, Trejo's Tacos. Known for his rugged persona and numerous tattoos, Trejo's recognition extends beyond his roles to his unique and unforgettable appearance. Currently, Danny Trejo is 79 years old. Number 3. Born Ronald Watkin on March 31, 1943 in Queens, New York, Christopher Walken is an iconic American actor, dancer and director, renowned for his unique voice and eccentric on-screen persona. Walken rose to prominence with diverse roles. His standout performance in The Deer Hunter 1978 earned him an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. With a career spanning decades, Walken has excelled in various genres, from intense dramas like Pulp Fiction 1994 to comedies such as Wedding Crashers 2005. His distinctive delivery and ability to inhabit complex characters have earned him widespread acclaim, solidifying his lasting influence in cinema. At 80, Walken remains a memorable and enigmatic figure in the industry. Number 4. Tilda Swinton, born on November 5, 1960 in London, England, is a highly regarded Scottish actress and producer. Known for her transformative performances and chameleon-like ability to inhabit diverse roles, Swinton gained fame through films like Orlando and the Chronicles of Narnia series. Her career is marked by collaborations with acclaimed directors including Wes Anderson and the Coen brothers. Swinton's achievements include an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actress for her role in Michael Clayton 2007 and a BAFTA Award for her performance in We Need to Talk About Kevin 2011. Beyond her acting prowess, she has been recognized for her contributions to cinema with numerous accolades. Today, Tilda Swinton is 63 years old and her career continues to flourish. Number 5. Born on November 11, 1960 in Peekskill, New York, Stanley Tucci is a multifaceted American talent actor, writer, producer, and director. With a career spanning over 3 decades, Tucci has captivated audiences with his stellar performances in diverse roles. Notable films like Big Night 1996 and The Devil Wears Prada propelled him into the spotlight. Recognized for his outstanding abilities, he earned an Academy Award nomination for The Lovely Bones 2009. Tucci effortlessly navigates between comedy and drama, showcasing his versatility. Beyond acting, he has successfully directed films such as Big Night and Final Portrait 2017. At 63 in 2024, Stanley Tucci's enduring impact and amiable presence in Hollywood affirm his status as a revered industry figure. Number 6. Helena Bonham Carter, born on May 26, 1966 in Islington, London, is a renowned English actress known for her distinctive style and versatile performances. She rose to fame with roles in films like A Room with a View, 1985, and solidified her status as a prominent actress with collaborations with director Tim Burton in films such as Sweeney Todd and Alice in Wonderland. Carter's career spans diverse genres from period dramas to fantasy films, showcasing her remarkable range and talent. Off screen, Helena Bonham Carter is recognized for her unique fashion sense and individuality. Currently, she is 57 years old. Number 7. Jack Black, born on August 28, 1969 in Santa Monica, California, is an adored American actor, comedian, musician, and producer. Renowned for his dynamic on-screen presence, he rose to fame as one of the comedy rock duo Tenacious D and delivered standout performances in iconic films such as School of Rock, Nacho Libre, and Tropic Thunder. Black seamlessly navigates between comedic and dramatic roles, showcasing his versatile talent. His infectious energy, comedic timing, and musical prowess had endeared him to fans worldwide. Beyond acting, Jack Black's contributions to the entertainment industry extends to his musical ventures and voice acting in animated films. At 54, he continues to captivate audiences. Number 8. Willem Dafoe, born on July 22, 1955 in Appleton, Wisconsin, is a highly acclaimed American actor and producer known for his distinctive features and intense performances. Dafoe gained prominence through roles in films like Platoon 1986 and The Last Temptation of Christ 1988. His career has been marked by versatility and a willingness to take on diverse and challenging roles. Dafoe's notable performances include his work in Shadow of the Vampire 2000, The Florida Project, and At Eternity's Gate, earning him several award nominations. Beyond acting, he has been involved in theatre and experimental film projects, showcasing his commitment to the craft. Presently, Willem Dafoe is 68 years old. Number 9. Maggie Smith, born on December 28, 1934 in Ilford, Essex, England, is a revered British actress boasting a six-decade career. Internationally acclaimed, she garnered fame for iconic roles in film and TV. Her distinguished journey includes an Academy Award winning performance in the prime of Miss Jean Brodie and a memorable portrayal of Professor Minerva McGonagall in the Harry Potter series 2001 to 2011. Smith's exceptional talent has earned her multiple Oscars, BAFTAs, and Emmys, transitioning effortlessly between comedy and drama. She stands as one of the greatest actresses of her generation. Now 89, Maggie Smith's enduring legacy in entertainment is cherished by audiences worldwide. Number 10. Adrian Brody, born on April 14, 1973, in Woodhaven, Queens, New York, is an accomplished American actor. He gained widespread recognition and made history by becoming the youngest winner of the Academy Award for Best Actor at the age of 29 for his outstanding performance in The Pianist 2002. Brody's career has been marked by a commitment to diverse and challenging roles, showcasing his versatility in films like King Kong 2005, The Darjeeling Limited 2007, and The Grand Budapest Hotel 2014. His ability to portray complex characters with depth and nuance has earned him critical acclaim. Known for his striking looks and intense performances, Brody has remained a respected figure in the film industry. Now, Adrian Brody is 50 years old, and his enduring dedication to his craft continues to be appreciated by audiences worldwide. Number 11. Kate Blanchett, born on May 14, 1969 in Melbourne, Australia, is an acclaimed actress celebrated for her remarkable talent and versatility. Her international breakthrough came with the portrayal of Queen Elizabeth I in Elizabeth, earning the first of multiple Academy Award nominations. From the iconic role in the Lord of the Rings trilogy 2001 to 2003 to captivating performances in The Aviator 2004 and Blue Jasmine 2013, which garnered her an Oscar. Blanchett's career reflects a diverse spectrum of roles. Her acting prowess and elegant presence have positioned her among the most respected figures in the industry. Beyond film, she is lauded for stage performances, showcasing her multifaceted skills. At 54, Kate Blanchett's enduring contributions to film, theatre, and arts advocacy solidify her as a stalwart in the entertainment realm. Number 12. Jeff Goldblum, born on October 22, 1952 in West Homestead, Pennsylvania, is a charismatic American actor and musician. He gained fame for his distinctive acting style and memorable performances in films like The Fly 1986, Jurassic Park 1993, and Independence Day 1996. Goldblum's career is characterized by his unique screen presence, often playing intellectual and eccentric characters. Known for his wit and charm, Goldblum has enjoyed success in various genres, including science fiction, drama, and comedy. His ability to bring a quirky and endearing quality to his roles has endeared him to audiences. Beyond acting, Goldblum is a skilled jazz pianist and often incorporates his musical talents into his career. As of 2024, Jeff Goldblum is 71 years old and his enduring popularity continues to make him a beloved figure in the entertainment industry. Number 13. Kristen Stewart, born on April 9, 1990 in Los Angeles, California, is an acclaimed American actress celebrated for her versatile performances, rising to stardom as Bella Swan in the Twilight series 2008 to 2012. She has since showcased her talent in diverse roles. Beyond Twilight, Stewart delivered compelling performances in films such as Adventureland 2009, Still Alice 2014, and Clouds of Sils Maria 2014, earning critical acclaim and a Caesar Award. Recognized for her understated yet powerful acting style, Stewart at 33 remains a respected figure in the film industry. Her dedication to challenging and diverse roles underscores her reputation as a talented and influential actress, consistently captivating audiences with authentic portrayals of complex emotions. Number 14. Gary Busey, born on June 29, 1944 in Goose Creek, Texas, is an American actor known for his intense performances and distinctive personality. He gained fame for his portrayal of Buddy Holly in the Buddy Holly Story 1978, earning him an Academy Award nomination. Busey's career spans a variety of genres, with notable roles in films such as Lethal Weapon 1987 and Point Break 1991. Despite facing personal challenges including a near-fatal motorcycle accident in 1988, Busey has continued to work steadily in the entertainment industry. Known for his eccentricities and larger-than-life persona, Busey's career includes not only acting but also appearances on reality shows and collaborations in music projects. His ability to bring intensity and unpredictability to his roles has left a lasting impression on audiences. Presently, Gary Busey is 79 years old and his enduring presence in Hollywood continues to be marked by his unique contributions to film and entertainment. Number 15. Owen Wilson, born November 18, 1968 in Dallas, Texas, is a celebrated American actor, comedian, and screenwriter. Renowned for his laid-back charm and unique voice, Wilson gained fame in collaboration with Wes Anderson, featuring in acclaimed films like Bottle Rocket 1996 and The Royal Tenenbaums 2001. His versatile career spans comedic gems like Zoolander 2001, The Wedding Crashers 2005, and the animated hit Cars 2006. Teaming up with Ben Stiller and Vince Vaughn in comedic terms, Wilson's easygoing demeanor and iconic wow catchphrase have endeared him to audiences. At 55, Wilson's enduring appeal and contributions to entertainment resonate globally, making him a beloved figure beyond the screen. Number 16. Whoopi Goldberg, born Karen Elaine Johnson on November 13, 1955, in New York City, is a celebrated American actress, comedian, and television host. ये कार्ड देना फिर से कर रहा है. Number 16. Whoopi Goldberg, born Karen Elaine Johnson on November 13, 1955, in New York City, is a celebrated American actress, comedian, and television host. She gained widespread recognition and became a cultural icon for her Academy Award winning performance in Ghost 1990. Goldberg's versatile career spans various genres, from drama to comedy, with notable films including The Color Purple 1985 and Sister Act 1992. Goldberg has achieved EGOT status, winning an Emmy, a Grammy, an Oscar, and a Tony Award, showcasing her exceptional talent across multiple platforms. Beyond acting, she is renowned for her co-hosting role on The View and her advocacy for various social issues. Known for her humor, authenticity, and trailblazing contributions to the entertainment industry, Whoopi Goldberg remains an influential figure. Now she is 68 years old, continuing to make an impact through her work and advocacy. Number 17. Born on September 21, 1950 in Evanston, Illinois, Bill Murray is an iconic American actor, comedian, and filmmaker, rising to fame on Saturday Night Live in the 1970s. He showcased his comedic talents. Murray's breakthrough came in classics like Caddyshack 1980 and Ghostbusters 1984, marking the start of a versatile career spanning genres. From the deadpan humor of Groundhog Day 1993 to the acclaimed drama of Lost in Translation 2003, Murray's range is evident. A beloved figure, now 73, his enduring popularity stems from acting prowess. Number 18. Sarah Jessica Parker, born on March 25, 1965 in Nelsonville, Ohio, is a highly regarded American actress, producer, and fashion icon. She gained widespread fame for her iconic portrayal of Carrie Bradshaw in the television series Sex and the City, which earned her critical acclaim and several awards. Parker's career has spanned film, television, and theatre, with notable roles in movies like Hocus Pocus and The Family Stone. Beyond acting, she has ventured into producing and founded her own production company, known for her impeccable sense of style and charisma. Currently, she is 58 years old, and her enduring impact on both fashion and film continues to solidify her status as a multifaceted and influential personality. Number 19. Christopher Lloyd, born on October 22, 1938 in Stamford, Connecticut, is an esteemed American actor, with a rich and enduring career, rising to fame as Doc Brown in the legendary Back to the Future trilogy 1985 to 1990. Lloyd's name has become synonymous with iconic performances, from the quirky Uncle Fester in the Addams Family films 1991 to 1993 to the sinister Judge Doom in the Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Lloyd's versatility has earned him acclaim, leaving an indelible mark on popular culture. His distinctive voice and expressive acting style seamlessly breathe life into both comedic and dramatic roles. At 85, in 2024, Christopher Lloyd's cinematic legacy continues to captivate audiences globally. Number 20 and last, Kathy Bates, born on June 28, 1948 in Memphis, Tennessee, is a highly accomplished American actress and director. She gained widespread recognition for her exceptional talent and versatility in a career that spans over 4 decades. Bates's breakthrough came with her unforgettable performance in the film Misery 1990, for which she won the Academy Award for Best Actress. Her career includes a diverse range of roles, from the chilling Annie Wilkes in Misery to the endearing Molly Brown in Titanic, and the resilient Evelyn Couch in Fried Green Tomatoes 1991. Known for her ability to portray complex and powerful characters, Bates has received critical acclaim and numerous awards throughout her career. Presently, Kathy Bates is 75 years old, and her enduring impact on the film industry as well as her advocacy work continues to make her a respected and beloved figure in Hollywood. That concludes our exploration of the 20 incredible actors shaping cinematic wonders behind the scenes. Recognize them all, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more captivating glimpses into the entertainment realm. Thanks for being with us. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, appreciate your company and look forward to seeing you again soon.